Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding gratitude. Let's keep the memory in Memorial Day. Thank you to those who made the ultimate sacrifice and the families who live with their loss, so we may have the four freedoms: freedom of speech, freedom of worship, freedom from want, and freedom from fear. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. Today is a day to stop, reflect, and give heartfelt thanks to the men and women who courageously gave their lives so we may live with the freedoms so beautifully depicted by Norman Rockwell in The Four Freedoms. On this Memorial Day, please remember the brave men and women of the United States Armed Forces who died providing and protecting our freedom. With great reverence and appreciation, I thank you. Be grateful, be respectful, be kind to each other. Enjoy the day.